everyone, I am Grace and welcome back to Shradha's Classroom. I hope you have been watching all my videos and doing the activities that I've been teaching you. If you haven't done them yet, please do it today. Art is magical, but it is surely not a magic. Yes, when you see a piece of art, it leaves you in a world of imagination. But when you want to do it, it cannot be done like a magic. You need to give it your time, your imagination, your creativity, and surely your interest. Yes, so today we are here to teach you how to make a photo frame all by yourself. Let's get started.
To start off, let us take some eggshells and rinse it in liquid soap or soap water. We are doing this to get rid of the bad smell from the eggshells. You can wash it a couple of times in soap water and then rinse it in plain water until you get rid of all the bad smell. Then let's dry it on a serviette. Now let's take two pieces of cardboard of the same size. On one piece of cardboard, let us draw lines of the scale width on all the four sides. Make sure that all the four sides are equal when you are drawing the line. Now you need to cut the square in between. This is the frame that we require. So you can paint this with the color of your choice. I have chosen black so that the design that I make on this frame will be visible, bright and clear. So paint it on all the four sides with black or the color of your choice. Let it dry. Let's keep it aside, and meanwhile take a color paper and draw a circle with the help of a bowl. Now cut this circle. If you are a child, please take the help of an adult to use the scissor. You can make as many circles as you want. You need to first decide how many flowers you will have on your frame. Accordingly, you will cut the circles and keep them ready. Now I'm going to cut this circle spirally. Start at one side and go inwards in the same direction as the circle. You need to cut it until you reach the center of the circle, and when you reach the middle, you need to leave at least half an inch. Now the spiral circle is ready. Now we begin from the outside. Start rolling the spiral circle like this. Hold it gently as you roll inwards. Continue to do the same until you reach the center of the circle. Now at the center, apply some glue and adjust the flower with your fingers and stick it to the base. Our flower is ready now. You can make as many flowers as you want. Now let's make some leaves. Take a green paper and fold it into the size that you desire the leaves to be. I would suggest you to fold the paper and cut them all together so that all your leaves would be of the same size and shape. Now draw the outline of a leaf on this. Cut them all together. Now let's take one leaf at a time. To make our leaf look more beautiful and natural, let us fold it into half and then make a fan fold on each of these leaves. I'm sure you all know how to make the fan fold. One inward fold and outward fold. Inward again and outward. Continue to do this until you reach the end of the leaf. Like this. Now when you open this, you will see how beautiful the leaf looks. Wow! Now let's do the same with all the other leaves. I have kept a few leaves ready. Now the leaves and flowers are ready. Now our frame is dry and ready for use. Now let us apply some glue on all the four sides of the frame. Just leave a little gap on two sides of the frame for us to stick the flowers and leaves. Apply the glue evenly all over the frame. Now, sprinkle the eggshells on the frame in the places where you have applied glue. You can even stick them one at a time, but make sure you stick them properly so that they don't fall off. You can see that I have stuck the eggshells all over the frame, just leaving a little space for the flowers. Now take a thin paint brush and paint the eggshells with the colors of your choice to make it look bright and beautiful. I chose red, yellow, blue, green and pink, and I left a few shells looking white. Now, in the place that we have left, stick the flowers and the leaves. Now the frame is almost done. Take the second piece of cardboard and stick a piece of wool or thread on it. You can use a sellotape to do this. Make sure you stick it properly so that it does not fall off. Now take a colored paper of your choice and stick it on this. I chose white so that it will look bright. Now write whatever quote you want on this and then stick the frame on this. And our frame is ready.
I hope you enjoyed watching it, and now it is your turn to try it. And if you do, please send us a picture or video of yourself doing it. We'll be back soon with another video for you. Bye.